My Cook. Are you looking for another way to use avocados in your diet? I have the perfect avocado snack, so just keep watching.
So to start this recipe, the first thing I'm going to do is cut this melon. This is a honeydew melon. So I took out the seeds, and now I'm just going to cut some small slices here, and really small little chunks. We don't want them to be too small, but we do want them to be small enough for this recipe. That looks good. I'm going to put that off to the side, and we're going to begin another step. Now we're going to take our avocados and we're going to slice them down the center, twist it open, take our other avocado, do the same thing. I'm just going to take this little bit of brown out of this one. There, that's perfect. Now I'm going to take some lime and squeeze it in the avocado halves that I have here. Take the pit, put your knife in, and just turn it, and you can get that seed out. Put some more lime juice in. Set it off to the side. Okay, here we go. We have our avocados. We're going to take our melon and fill up our avocado. This is so refreshing. You're going to love this for a dessert or even in the summer. Now we're going to take some blueberries and add some of those. We'll just put some around the plate just to make it look nice. Now I have some baby mint leaves that we're just going to scatter around. So here is our perfect avocado snack. It's so refreshing. I know you're going to love this. It's easy to make. So subscribe and like for more content.